Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fusion steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. It is crucial to wait at least 15 minutes after disconnection to allow any residual power to dissipate, preventing accidental airbag deployment. Have your tools ready, including a small flathead screwdriver, a 24mm socket, and a ratchet. Always ensure your front wheels are perfectly straight before you begin. Now, let's safely remove the airbag. You will find small access holes on the sides or sometimes the bottom of your steering wheel. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into these holes, pushing inward to release the internal clips holding the airbag in place. There are typically 2 clips on the sides. Once released, gently pull the airbag forward. Carefully disconnect the 2 or 3 electrical connectors by pulling up on their small locking tabs before detaching them. With the airbag safely removed, it's time to detach the steering wheel itself. Double-check that your steering wheel is perfectly centered at the 12 o'clock position. Using a 24mm socket and a ratchet, loosen and remove the large center bolt that secures the steering wheel to the column. Once the bolt is out, gently but firmly pull the steering wheel straight off the shaft. Be careful not to rotate the clock spring assembly behind it. When reinstalling, ensure the steering wheel is perfectly aligned with the splines on the column. Tighten the main bolt to 35 foot-pounds of torque for secure fastening. Reconnect all airbag electrical connectors, then carefully push the airbag module back into its housing until the clips engage. Finally, reconnect your battery. To calibrate the steering wheel position sensor, start the car, turn the wheel fully left, then right, repeat, and drive for a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.